Ich werfe ein Licht in mein Gesicht, mein heißer Schrei, feuerfrei.
It's all good. Just I think the cord in there. It's just. Oh! Oops. I managed to hit the pole. And I'm out. I'm looking for a world record. So far, this was the smallest one I found here. Some inside there too. So this is the smallest one. I want something that'll last me 7-8 months like the other one did. It was still good. I had to bury it because I didn't want it to go and rot in my room. But oh, is that a world record breaker? Is that a record breaker? That one's so small. I'm looking for the smallest one I could ever find. So far, this is kind of the smallest one I could find. Unless I can find one that's half the size of this.